haven't even thought of an acceptance speech.
We just received a package from Miss Sephora. So I just wanted to chat about these because these products could be a potential game changer. So I ordered the one size Secure the Sweat and Oil Sucker. Basically for people who sweat or for those who get extremely oily, these are the primers that you want to use. So excited for these because I've been wanting to get my hands on them for so long. I think they're about $65 or $70 each. They are a little pricey. Right, the day is done. Full day of academy today. We focused on makeup for black and white photography, also makeup for TV. So next week is red carpet and mature. Week after that is drag, which I'm so excited for. It's gonna be so much fun. I am exhausted. I've been talking all day. My voice is feeling so like raspy. I love days like today. Like whenever I do like a brow tattoo or someone's makeup that is so transformative, they feel so good about themselves and it just shows on their face. There's no better feeling. It's like the best thing in the world. I always say to Dee, I'm like, that we get to call this our job. We get to meet the most amazing people, work with them and learn about them and learn about their lives and go through all of the stages of their life with them. Like some of my clients I've had since I was working from home just after COVID, and you know, I've seen relationships start to going away together for the first time and then getting engaged and now married and now with kids. Like it's just such a nice thing to be able to see. Going back to what I was saying, like I always say to Dee that the fact that we get to work with such amazing people, make people feel amazing about themselves and then get paid for it, it's such a nice way to go through life. It's something that I don't think I'd ever get sick of. This is my 11th year in the beauty industry. It is something that still excites me so much, and especially now that I run my own business, like there are so many new things happening at all times and there's so many growth opportunities. It's just, it's a mess and it's scary and it's hard, especially when you've put everything on the line to make this work. Those clients that you have that you just feel so connected to that make it all worth it. And for me, I find that connection in my work, not just with people, but I also find that satisfaction and that validation, you know, when I really transform someone's brows or the way that someone looks, or helping someone cover a scar that they've had on their face for, you know, years that they're self-conscious of and it's their wedding day. Tattooing clients' brows someone who just finished, you know, their chemotherapy. And now it's even teaching, you know, with the academy. It just fills my cup so much. Like, am I exhausted by the end of the day? Absolutely. But it fills my cup so much seeing the progress and seeing the transformation. It's such a satisfying feeling. So if you are interested, we are now taking applications for our March intake next year. So this is the first and last academy intake for the year, and we have an intake open for March next year, which we're currently taking applications for. So if you're interested, always wanted to be in the beauty industry but you're not too sure how, this course that I have created is so much more than just makeup. Yes, it will, you know, you'll have all of the tools and you get the sickest kit ever. Not only do you get all of that, but you also learn about social media and how to shoot, edit, schedule content, how to do all of your content for an entire month in 2 hours, mindset, and how to attract clients and how to get on the PR lists. I literally give you guys all of the tips and tricks that have helped me get to where I am. Definitely check out the Academy page, which is it's linked below. It's always linked below, because it is definitely something that I am so passionate about. And I just know that one day it's gonna be every single chair that's filled with students. Fingers crossed. I don't know what has possessed me, but I've just decided to reorganize all the stuff that I don't use every day needs to go in this drawer. There's no fucking way that I use 4 brow gels, 65 brow pencils. Look at all these mascaras. I don't even wear mascara. These MAC Face and Body foundations have got to go. These are so old. These are literally 10 years old. I don't know why I've been holding on to them. I think I've been holding on to them for the nostalgia of it all. So I'm gonna keep my most used, which is C4 and N3, and I'm not using them. Don't worry, I just need to keep these 2 for the men. So La Roche-Posay Naked Sundays, also another Naked Sundays one. My La Roche-Posay Clear, not the tinted version. Naked Sundays Cabana Clear Water Gel Serum. This broke me the fuck out, so see ya. Effect Professional. See ya. As you can tell, I love Naked Sundays. We have another one of their tints. And while we're in this kind of section, I'm also gonna pop in any lip oils, lip hydrating shit, nude sticks. Next drawer, all of my Rimmel illuminators. And I'm also gonna chuck in the Naked Sundays Cabana Glow Blush. This is everything. Okay. That's looking better. I'm happy with this swap. I like my concealers need to go next. All of my concealers. These are a bunch of Mecca Max ones. I've got a couple Kosas and Rimmel Multitasker, one of my favorites. Sports Girl Complexion one. Benetint, love that. My Be Perfect Bronzer that I stole from work. My Innercar Broken Bronzer, such a beautiful, really warm tone. Extra Benetint, I'm just gonna pop in the side. My Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer, that needs to go in. All right, so I'm happy with that. This has got to be the brow drawer because brows are my everything. As you guys know, it's why I have a job. Let's pop all of my brow gels in here. All of these brow pencils. Holy shit. The gold ones are samples of products that I'm testing right now. Got a couple of the Precisely My brow pencils. We also have the Anastasia brow definer in the shade soft brown. And I also have 2 brow gels that I am testing formulas for at the moment. Okay, this is looking good. Top, I think, is accessories. Also, I'm gonna pop my powder puff and like my translucent setting powder in there and my setting spray. These are foundations that I'm currently testing out. Water, curl gel, matte hold setting spray, hairspray. Anyway, that can go there. I use those hair products every single day. All right, we're good. You guys. Firstly, who remembers this robe? If you know, you know. I have literally had this robe for like 8 years. It was gifted to me by Garnier when I did the Face Awards, the NYX Face Awards, and I got into the top 6. Who remembers that era? Because that was crazy. And to be honest, guys, I think I now realize why it's mandatory here in Australia anyway. Have at least, it's like, what's annual leave? Like 4 weeks a year? Because I feel like I have been running off steam for the last, I don't know, 3 months. So as much as I love what I do and I wouldn't change it for the world, there is a small part of me, just like really small, that is excited to have a couple weeks off. And by a couple, I mean literally 4 weeks off for this surgery. I already have a to-do list of things that I need to do or get done while I'm recovering because I know that I am a workaholic. So I need to feel like I'm not just lazing around pretty much ever. Like I really struggle with that. Even when I am chilling out, watching Netflix, but at the same time I'm editing a reel, updating the website, chopping things up on Canva, replying to Aubrey, like I'm just always working at 110% capacity. That is gonna be very tricky for me because coming out of surgery, I'm really gonna have to slow down. Although mentally I'll be fine, physically I'll be exhausted, right? Until my body adjusts and heals. So it's gonna be a fun time and I'm gonna vlog the whole thing. It's gonna be interesting to see like how I cope not being at work, not physically being at work. And I think I'll be fine. I know I'll be fine because like I'm getting everything fixed up now. So that way when I'm recovering, I don't have to worry about the small things, you know what I mean? But right now that part is actually taking up quite a bit of time. But yeah, I'm very excited. I am. It's not something you probably want to be excited about. I'm excited to just move into a new chapter for personal growth anyway. But anyway, I'm gonna shut the fuck up now. It's so funny, like I will literally neglect washing my brushes until I'm like breaking out. Like it's so bad. On clients, I'm washing them every single day. For myself, like my personal brushes here. And I know that you're the same, okay? So don't come and be like, no, I don't know what you're talking about. I wash my brushes every single day. No, you fucking don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. I don't like my hair to look too buffy. I like it to look a little more flat and like in shape, you know what I mean? Kind of like me. Hence why I'm getting my fucking stomach stapled next month. I'm exhausted.
I just got home from work. I was chatting to Mel before I left. Maybe I'll vlog my next needling. Might do that. We're talking about Sydney, talk about the ABIAs because we leave in 4 days. And she's like, Jacob, you do understand that if you win an award, you're gonna have to say a speech. And I'm like, what? So I was like, all right, let me just type something up on my phone real quick. I've never written a speech before. I've never won anything in my life. I don't even know if I'm gonna win. This is just in case because I know that I'm a forgetful bitch. Firstly, I just want to thank the ABIA Award for even considering us. Hey Siri, what's another word for considering? As we only opened over a year ago. I have to say congratulations to the other finalists. How did I word this before? I was saying it out loud like in my car and it sounded perfect. And now that I actually have to put pen to paper, I'm like, I'm so lucky and so grateful to work with such incredible women every single day. Lastly, thank you so much to all of our incredible clients. I know people are probably hearing this thinking, well, actually our clients are the best. And like, no offense to them, but our clients are actually better. Not me stirring shit in my acceptance speech. Should I say that or is that oh, I don't know. Shots fired. Don't worry, this is gonna change 50,000 times before we actually get to the ABIAs. I feel like I'm writing a fucking Grammy acceptance speech. I guess that's fine. Like I said, this is gonna be changed 1,000,001 times over. I'm gonna go ahead and have some dinner and start getting my things ready. Actually, no, I'm taking the night off. I'm taking the night off, guys. I'm not doing any work. Anyway. I just had to document that. I don't know why. I just felt like I had to turn on the vlog camera for that because acceptance speeches, I haven't even considered. Yeah, that's tea.